I love our brown box card kits, and this one is no exception. This one is called a By Your Side card kit, and it creates 8 different cards. There are dog and cat options, and then I've also included a free gift of gold foil paper to tuck behind a certain section, which I will show you. So the cards, let's take a look at those. So here are, they come with coordinating envelopes. So we've got this dog and this doggone cute dog. So I'll always be by your side. So you got that overlay, that peekaboo behind. And then this one, you make my heart happy. And we've got some gold adhesive back embellishments in the kit. And then here's where I put the gold foil paper. I just tucked it behind the heart there, the heart cutouts. Now here are the dog options. So you can make 8 dog cards, or here are the cat options. So here is the I'll always be by your side with the ball of yarn. And here is You Make My Heart Happy again. So also on the envelope, you'll notice, so there's cat paw prints and dog paw prints. So you can choose between those two. Some people are dog people, some people are cat people. But what if you are both people, or you want to send it, you want to have cards for both? You have enough supplies to make 8 dog cards or 8 cat cards. But since I did both, I was able to tuck in the extra pieces inside. So for this dog card, I took the additional dog pieces here and put it inside the card. So you not only have the outside, but the inside decorated. For this dog card, we've got the You Make Me Happy, and on the inside, I've got the leftover pieces from this other dog card, and there's those heart punch outs from the front here. For the cat, I'll always be by your side with the ball of yarn, and then on the inside I've got the other kitty cat inside and a sentiment. And then for this cat, You Make My Heart Happy, and on the inside is the other ball of yarn cat. So create 8 cards, choose dog, cat, or both. I love these, and I hope you do too. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.